Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
To lock your Moto Edge 50 Fusion instantly, press the power button once. That action turns off the display and secures the phone immediately. You can also enable double tap to sleep from display settings for a fast lock alternative. Swipe down twice to open quick settings and tap the lock icon to lock the screen manually. Each method locks the device without additional taps or delays. Use whichever method feels quickest for you. Practice a couple times to form the habit. Open Settings and go to Display to adjust the screen timeout. Choose 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes to control auto lock timing. Next, open Security and pick a screen lock type like PIN, pattern, or password. Set a PIN of at least 4 digits for balance between speed and security. Also enable Require PIN on wake so the phone requests authentication every time it wakes. These settings ensure the device locks automatically and resists casual access. Register 1 or more fingerprints under Settings, then Security for quick biometric unlock. You can also set up Face Unlock if available for convenience. Use Lockdown mode in Security to temporarily disable biometrics and hide notifications before handing the phone to someone. If you prefer strict locking, disable Smart Lock to prevent trusted devices or locations from keeping the phone unlocked. Test biometrics and lockdown once to confirm they work as.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.